Good evening, guys. I know everyone is going gaga this April, but remember, we have to calm down, okay? So for today, I will be sharing some of the official merchandise I bought for the month of April, okay? So the first one are these, the clear files. This is the EXO clear file. I didn't have a chance to buy it before, so that's why I just bought it now. So I'm lucky that I have TAOHUN and TAO's clear file. They are my biases. Okay, so for the sake of collection, that's why I bought it. Okay, but it's good. I like it. TAO and 7, it looks really handsome here. Okay, and then the one that I bought this from gave me this as a freebie. I got this one before, so this one is just a freebie. So I have an extra one now. Okay, this one is the Nature Republic clear file. Speaking of Nature Republic, I also purchased. Remember before I purchased the members Standee? I have 12 of that. Now I purchased the group Standee of Nature Republic. So let's check. So this one is EXO group Standee. You're gonna look. Okay. And then this one is EXO-N. Okay, so there is the group Standee. And then I think this one is some sticky notes, okay, of Nature Republic. As a collector, I love collecting, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. Okay, so there we go. Then I also purchased Bromide magazine. This one is the April issue. So as you can see, EXO is in here. I think this one is during the EXO Showtime promotion, or I don't know. Okay, well anyway, let's check them inside. I kinda like Bromide magazine because it's cheaper than the other Korean magazine. Okay, so there's the poster there. Let's see. There's EXO. Oh, EXO is there. That small one. I hope there is a big one here. No, not them. 21 here. Oh, so is she there? Mister. Okay, also not them. 24. Oh, here. Okay. So here we go. Our EXO boys are here. Okay, so that is Bromide April 2014 issue. Next is Bromide April 2014 issue. Then I just have some magazines here that I will show you guys. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first magazine the second magazine, I'm gonna be showing is, let's go to Star M first. So I have Star M 2014 issue. This one is April 2014. There they are, complete. Inside, you'll find them at the back. No, that is only Chris and Suho. Mostly there. There's some issue there. Here. They are actually in front. Okay. Both of my biases are here. Okay. Next is, I have also, this one is the October issue. I purchased an October issue last year on a local shop, but until now it wasn't delivered to me. That's why I decided just to purchase a new copy. Okay, so if ever they will deliver it to me, I will have another 2 copies of this. So EXO is also in the, there we go, there they are in the beginning. Okay, there's also a poster of them. Okay, here. Okay, and then this one is 1010 magazine. Okay, I like 1010 too. I'm trying to collect their magazines. So EXO is on the beginning, on the front page, I mean. So there. Okay. There they are. Even though I don't understand it, and even though the pictures are almost the same, I don't know why, but I'm still collecting it, okay? And, okay, like I said before, I promised myself to collect every issue of Celebrity magazine. So now I have the 6th issue. This is volume 6, April 2014, the Celebrity magazine. And EXO Suho, I think, is in here. Is it? Let's check. Okay. I'm not sure if it's Suho, but we will find out. Is it Suho? Yes, it's EXO Suho here. It says, okay. Let's see. There. Page 100. Okay. There he is. Okay, so Suho is in here. And we're there. Doesn't look like him. Okay, it's all about bicycles and how he likes bike. Okay, that's it. Another key is in here. Okay, we'll see that one. Anyway, oh, I have one more. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. This one is a magazine too. The magazine is called The Star magazine. Now, the seller gave me some freebies, which is this one. Oversized. I think it's just reprinted. Okay. And also this one. Here. It's EXO. So let's check the Star magazine. So we have March 2014 issue. Okay. Let's see. Let's find where are they? Okay. I'm not really good in looking. Ah, there they are. Okay. Some clips, okay, of EXO. That's it. Only one page. Is this? I guess. Okay. That is in Gaon Chart Music Award. Okay. Well, anyway, that's it for my April merchandises. I might be receiving another box or anything. I will make another video. So thank you guys for keep on watching and checking out my blog. I really appreciate it. Whoever is who wanted to ask me where I purchased this or anything, just comment below. Okay, and happy collecting. That's it. Okay, so good night guys. Bye bye.